birthday, Marcus! Please always remember na mahal ka ni Mama Jack at saka ni Papa Ernie. I wish na lumaki ka na God-fearing at katulad nga na sabi ng mami mo, maging blessing ka sa mga taong nasa paligid. Thank you so much for coming into our lives. Happy birthday! Love you!
Sobrang nakakatuwa siyang bata. Kasi, alam mo yung parang kang matandang kausap, lahat may sense yung sinasabi. And yung talagang pagdating niya sa amin is super blessing. Unexpected blessing sa amin ng mag-partner sa amin family. Napakadali niya. Pag nakita ka niya na parang anong kutukot mo, lalapitan ka na lang bigla kikis. And si Marcus yung tipo ng batang walang dull moments. Thank you, anak. You have no idea how much you complete mom and dad. That I'm feeling like I finally found my one in a million. I could jump through the ceiling, 'cause I've never been so sure it's the real thing. Must be love.
May you have a very, very good life. Ma-enjoy mo lahat. You finish your studies. And sana yung paglaki niyo ni Riley, mas mahalin niyo pa yung isa't isa. Yan lang. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Marks, and I'm sorry that Dad cannot be there on your birthday, but I know you're too smart to understand the situation, why we have to go through this for the meantime. And I pray and wish for your health, good health lagi, anak, and happiness all the time. Mag-pray ka lagi, stay humble, and continue to be a blessing to all of us around you, because you have no idea, anak, how much you mean to us, how much you made our life brighter because of your smile.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to 7th birthday, Marcus Inigo, together with Mami. Palakpakan naman dyan! You know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer.
Marcus, happy birthday. Thank you for inviting us. Sana you continue to be a blessing to your parents. Thank you. Love you.
Dare to be a dreamer.
Maraming salamat sa pagiging kuya kay Lucas. Parehas kayong only child. Sana lagi kayong magmahalang dalawa.
Mark, tulad ng palagi sinasabi niya, Daddy sa'yo, maging mabait ka sa lahat. We wish you na maging blessing ka sa lahat mo, sa lamuha mo. Enjoy mo lang yung childhood. And kami yung bahala sa mga core memories na dadalhin mo. Happy birthday, Marcus! I love you so much. Kahit malayo si Daddy, mahal na mahal ka namin. Enjoy mo lang tong araw na to.